Hello everybody, in this video we show how to use Apple AirPlay on your LG TV with WebOS6. If your TV supports Apple AirPlay, you can stream video and music from your Apple device to the TV or mirror the Apple device screen on the TV. To do this, first make sure the TV is connected to the same network as your Apple device. With Apple AirPlay you can stream video to the TV. For example, from the YouTube app. When you play a video, you can press this icon here. Then select AirPlay and Bluetooth devices. Select the TV and enter the code on the screen. You only have to do this the first time you connect with AirPlay, but you can change this, which we will show later. The video is now played on the TV. Here is another example, using the Apple TV app. When you play a video, press this icon here. Select the TV and the video is played on the TV. You can also stream music to the TV, for example from the Spotify app. When you are playing a song, press this icon and select AirPlay or Bluetooth. Then select the TV and the music is played on the TV. Another function is to show the screen of your Apple device on the TV. Open the control center and press Screen Mirroring. Select the TV and now everything you see on your Apple device is also shown on the TV. And this is also an easy way to watch your photos directly on the TV. To stop screen mirroring, go back to the control center and select Stop Mirroring. To change AirPlay settings on the TV, go to AirPlay here or on the home dashboard here. Select AirPlay and HomeKit settings. Here you can enable or disable AirPlay on the TV. Here you can change the settings for the required code. By default this is set so that the code is only required the first time your Apple device connects with the TV. You can change this to every time you connect or to use a password instead. And here you can clear the paired devices on the TV. If you cannot use AirPlay, please check the following. Make sure the TV is connected to the same network as your Apple device. Check that the TV software is up to date. Also check that your Apple device software is up to date and at least iOS version 12.3. This is how you can use Apple AirPlay on your LG TV. For more help, contact your local LG help desk.